Well, the Princess Margaret Cancer Foundation is making a major funding announcement. Let's listen in live.
Absolutely incredible, but I couldn't do my job without the best Deputy Premier Minister of Health this province has ever seen, Minister Jones, and a great Minister of Colleges and Universities, Nolan Quinn. So thank you so much for being here. You know, I have an opportunity to speak to a lot of people around the world, and often healthcare comes up. And it's not me always bragging, because I do brag about our healthcare system, but it's them telling us, no matter if it's ambassadors or consul generals or governors that come up and pay us a visit, that they're in awe when they see our healthcare system. And I always will continue to fund it. To give you, we're pouring money into healthcare, the likes of which this province has never seen. We put in from 61 billion when we took office up to 31 billion, and then all the other areas from building. And my minister, she's really, we call her the general, the deputy minister, Jones, and she gets nervous when I have Kevin over the house or anything, because it says every time you see Kevin, it costs us about $2 billion to $3 billion, and that's a good thing. And we call that an investment. You know, you're leading the future of medicine and cancer care, and folks, I can tell you, cancer is very close to my heart, my family's heart. Unfortunately, I lost my mother, my father, and my brother at a very young age. So I will do whatever. I will not spare a penny when it comes to cancer research or putting money towards cancer research. There's a special person here, and that's Peter. I know you introduced him already, but he is a true philanthropist. He loves his community, he cares about his community. He doesn't just build beautiful homes under Madamie's logo, so please buy one of his homes, because all his profits come back to the hospital usually. But he's an out-of-the-box thinker. I go to see Humber College, and he's working with them to build homes over there. And before I walked out, what is very close to Peter's heart is making sure we have affordable housing for our frontline healthcare workers. We have the best healthcare workers anywhere in the world. I will put our frontline nurses and docs and PSWs and everyone else against anyone in the world. But that's the passion Peter has. But not only is he a great builder, a great philanthropist, and by the way, probably the #1 in the entire country when it comes to philanthropy and building, but he's one heck of a fisherman. I'll tell you, I've been out in the middle of the ocean with him fishing, and you do a great job there, so I learned a lot off you, Peter. You know, from research into stem cells, the breakthroughs that we've seen here at UHN and Princess Margaret, which are changing millions of lives every single day. The future of cancer care are better today than they were years ago, and better for patients every single day. That runs through Princess Margaret and the team that's right in this building right now. This hospital provides world-class care to nearly 280,000 people every single year as part of the largest hospital network in Canada. And I think we all know UHN as a whole is the #1 research hospital in Canada. The support Princess Margaret gets every single year, not just from government, but from the community. And everyone pitching in, because they know everyone at one time or another has a friend, a loved one that's been through these doors, and you've saved millions and millions of lives. In innovative programs to expand inpatient and outpatient care resources, increase hospital stem cell processing capacity, and connect patients to life-saving cancer drugs. And we're leading the country in making sure we get approvals for life-saving cancer drugs. We were out of the gate, and again, I want to thank Minister Jones for leading the way. But folks, we were last on the poll there when it came to countries approving drugs. We were a lot longer than any other region in the world. Now, we're going to be bumped up to #1. We're going to do everything we can to get through Health Canada, get these approvals, and get these life-saving drugs to help the people of Canada. Again, I'm not going to read the rest of my speech because it keeps going on and on and on. I just want to tell you that I love each and every one of you, and if you ever need help, call me on my cell phone. I will get back to you. I have a special 1-800 number I put together. It's 1-800-CALL Kevin Smith, and he'll take care of it. God bless you. God bless the people of Ontario, and thank you for everything you do every day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Premier. I'm now delighted to reveal the reason we're all here today, and I think some of you did probably see a sneak preview this morning in the Globe, but the official announcement of an unprecedented $50 million gift towards early cancer detection from Peter Gilgan. Together with donations made to other hospitals and healthcare organizations, Peter Gilgan continues to be the largest benefactor to healthcare in Canada. Thank you, Peter. This extraordinary gift will establish the Peter Gilgan Centre for Early Cancer Detection Research at the Princess Margaret, making it the largest research program of its kind globally. Led by our world-renowned scientists, one of whom you'll hear from in a moment, the Peter Gilgan Centre for Early Cancer Detection Research will conduct pioneering research into how cancer actually develops and translate new discoveries that will stop cancer before it actually starts to take hold. This will enable more people, adults and children alike, to live long, healthy, and fulfilling lives. Generosity of this magnitude, we know, is transformative, and we're incredibly grateful to you, Peter, for your visionary philanthropic leadership and for your shared commitment to accelerating a world free from the fear of cancer through early detection. It's now my very great privilege to welcome to the microphone an outstanding Canadian community builder and philanthropist, Peter Gilgan.
Doug, can I read your speech here? No, okay. Yeah, anyway, actually, quite frankly, it's one of these things where we should have compared notes because Kevin stole a lot of my thunder and what he didn't, the Honourable Premier did. But so, first of all,
we've been listening to a major funding announcement of $50 million going towards the Princess Margaret Cancer Foundation. This is a major donation by Peter Gilgan, CEO of Mattamy Homes.